Aprobado na sa third reading ang Senate Bill 1823 o ang resetting ng BARM parliamentary elections. 21 bumoto pabor sa panukalang batas at walang bumoto ng no. Ang News Now sa report.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. And I also thank our dear colleagues for supporting this measure. It's one step forward to achieving peace and in the Bangsamoro region. Mr. President, a lot of our members wish to give an explanation of their vote. May we recognize Senator Joel Villanueva, Mr. President, for the three measures there.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, Majority Leader. Mr. President, may I just explain briefly my explanation of vote on Senate Bill number 1823. Mr. President, we express our full support for the approval of the said measure, an act resetting the first regular elections in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, amending for the purpose Section 13, Article 16 of Republic Act number 11054, otherwise known as the Organic Law for the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. We would likewise commend the sponsor of this measure, our hardworking Majority Leader, Senator Mig Zubiri, for his steadfast leadership and commitment in advancing this very important reform, Mr. President. Ginoong Pangulo, tayo po ay sumusuporta sa isang prosesong sisiguraduhin na ang bawat boto ay tunay na mabibigyang halaga. Naniniwala din po tayo na ang demokrasya ay pinakamatatag kung ang mga pundasyon nito ay matibay at maayos na itatatag. Mr. President, democracy demands preparation. It requires clarity in representation and institutions that are fully equipped to carry out the will of the people. This measure is not about delaying democracy, rather it is about strengthening it. Let us view this reset as a commitment to genuine democracy, one where the people of BARM are able to participate fully, fairly, and confidently in choosing their leaders. Again, Mr. President, we vote yes to this measure.
At ang pangalawang pagpapaliwanag po ay patungkol naman po sa Bangsamoro. Sa pagpapaliban at sa ngayon po ay itakda na ang botohan, ang eleksyon sa BARM. Ito po ay akin pong pinasasalamatan ang aming Godfather, ang ating pong Majority Floor Leader, Senator Mig Zubiri, sapagkat alam niyo po, kami po ay hanga sa kanya, ang kamusliman, ang inyong Bangsamoro ay hanga po sa kanya, bagamat hindi po siya isang Muslim, pero ang kanyang pagmamahal sa amin ay sobra-sobra po. At nung huli po niyang hearing ay nakita namin kung paano niya ipinaglaban na magkaroon po ng mga future leader sa Bangsamoro na hindi tradisyonal. Yung galing naman po talaga doon sa mga matatawag natin na galing po sa mga common na tao na mamuno. Kaya po, tanggapin niyo po ang aming pasasalamat, Senator Mig Zubiri. Kami po'y buong puso na nagpapasalamat sa pakikipaglaban niyo po para sa BARM. Mabuhay po kayo.